if you test for the propellant, then you can call them as the raw material testing of the propellant. Okay, so how do you carry out the raw material testing of the propellant? Here you determine whether the propellant that has been supplied by your supplier is is correct or not. Okay, and then you are also going to determine whether the blend that is been mentioned on the label, if you are mentioning propellant 1 2 in the blend of 45%, just for an example, and you are mentioning propellant 1 1 at the concentration of say again 45 say 50%, just for an example. Okay, so 50% of propellant 1 1 and 12% of propellant 4 5 is 12%, 15, I'm so sorry, 50% of propellant 1 1 and 45% of propellant 1 2 is present inside the container. Then you check whether the same quantity of propellant is present inside it or not. So you check the blend also. How do you carry out? How do you identify it? With the help of IR spectrophotometry or with the help of gas chromatography. Then you also determine the quality of the propellant which has been supplied to you. How you determine the quality of the propellant? You determine the quality of the propellant by checking the vapor pressure. You determine the quality of the propellant by checking the moisture content, by checking the density, by checking non-volatile residue, and by checking the halogen content. So you determine the quality of the propellant. You determine whether the right blend of propellant is present or not, and you determine whatever propellant is supplied to you is of the same, what you call that, brand or not, right? Also the monographs, if you want to check the raw material, okay, propellant 1 2 1 1 1 and 1 1 4, then these monographs of these propellant 1 1 1 2 and 1 1 4, they are included in USP. Okay, and you can carry out, you can find out the, what you call that, you can perform the test and you can find out whether the quality of the propellant that you are using in the aerosol is of right quality or not, right? These are the tests that you carry out for propellant.